Chapter 7, Rocks and Rock Type. Observe the picture in figure 7.1 and answer the following question. Point 1. What is the hill in A made up of? Point 2. What is being done in B? Point 3. What do we see in C? Point D. Point 4. Is there any relationship between the three things shown above? Point 5. For what purpose do we use the thing shown in A and C? Do it yourself. From the hill, riverbed, or land in the vicinity, collect rock specimens of different types, shapes, colors, etc. Observe the rock specimen and note down the following: place where the rock was found, color of the rock, place on the rock and their color, weight of the rock, estimated heavy or light, hardness of the rock, hard, brittle, or medium, structure of the rock, uniform grain, layers, hollowness, porosity of the rock, porous or non-porous. Show the rock specimen and note to the teacher, discuss them. Explanation. We have seen last year that earth crust is hard. It is made up of rock and soil. Soil are found on land surface and also below it. Rocks are mixture of different minerals fo- formed by natural process in lithosphere. The properties of rocks depend on the constituent minerals and their proportion, as well as the formation process. Silica, aluminum, magnesium, and iron are the major rock forming minerals. There are other minerals too in different rocks. Type of rocks. There are three type of rocks according to their formation. Number one, igneous rock or primary rock. Number two, sedimentary rock. Number three, metamorphic rock. Do you know the interior of Earth has very high temperature? As a result, the mineral in this part is the molten state. Sometimes these minerals get sometimes this material get released through the fissure in crust. This is called volcano lava gases, dust, ashes, etc. are thrown out during volcanic eruption. Igneous rock. Igneous rock when the molten material known as magma within the crust and lava on the surface cools down and solidifies give rise to rock. These are known as igneous rock. As these rocks are formed, as these rocks are formed out of material from the interior of the earth, these are also referred as primary rocks. Mostly these rocks appear hard and homogeneous. These are heavy as well. We do not get fossil in these rocks. The Maharashtra Plateau and the Sayagrids are formed out of igneous rock. Basalt is the major example of igneous rock. See figure 7.5. Do you know Pumice is the example of igneous rock. This is formed out of volcanic froth. It is porous rock. As its density is quite low, it can float on water. Most of the hill fort in Maharashtra have lakes and elephant yard. Actually, these are very old quarry sites. Rocks are extracted from these sites are used in construction of the fort and other buildings. In this pit and dugout left behind after rock extraction, water is allowed to accumulate and these lakes, tanks, etc. were created. Use your brain power. What rocks are used for building the forts in Maharashtra? Why? Sedimentary rock. Due to continuous variation in temperature, rocks develop cracks. Similarly, the water percolating through rocks dissolve the soluble minerals. This lead to weathering of rocks. They get disintegrated or decomposed. That is, they get reduced into pieces. These rocks particles get transported by river, glacier, wind, etc. towards low-lying area and are deposited there. One after other layer of sediment get deposited in the way the upper layer exert heavy pressure on the lower layer. This lead to compaction of um, compaction of material and develop the sedimentary rocks. One can easily see layer in sedimentary rocks while layer are getting deposited. The remains of dead animal and plant get buried in these layer at time. Therefore, one may find fossil in sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are generally brittle and lightweight. Most of them are porous. Sandstone, limestone, shale, corals, etc. are sedimentary rocks. One may find coal seams in sedimentary rocks. Fossil. The buried remain of dead animal or plant became subject to heavy pressure. As a result, their impression get marked on the rock. At a time, the buried animal or plant get petrified. These are called fossils. The study of fossil provide information about the life of that period. Do you know near Jaipur city in Rajasthan, red stone is found. This is a type of sedimentary rock. This rock was used to construction of Red Fort at Delhi. As sandstone is relatively soft, it is easy to carve in it. Metamorphic rock. Volcanic activity and other earth movement constantly take place on earth. While these are occurring, the igneous and sedimentary rock in that region are subjected to tremendous pressure and heat. This led to changes in the nature as well as chemical composition of the original rock. The crystal in original rocks get recrystallized. This means the rock get metamorphosed. The rocks formed through such a process is called metamorphic rock. These rocks do not contain fossil. These rocks are heavy and hard. Study the table given below and understand the metamorphosis. Coal gets metamorphosed when it undergoes heavy pressure and intense heat. After coal get After coal get metamorphosed into diamond, its price increases. We burn coal while use diamond as ornament. Do you know the Taj Mahal at Agra was built in marble? Marble is a metamorphic rock. This rock was bought from mines of Makrana in Rajasthan. Figure 7.5. One realized while taking a boat ride in river Narmada through Bidaghat Gorge in Madhya Pradesh that river was cut its gorge through marble rock. At sunrise, sunset, and during full moon night, these riverbanks present an enchanting scene. Figure 7.5 shows the distribution of major rocks in Maharashtra. List the district in Maharashtra where rocks and other than basalt are found. The basalt rock formed out of volcanic eruption has spread over a vast region of our state. Granite rocks is found in eastern part of and in South Konkan. Laterite is found in South Konkan. Because of thick and extensive layer of basalt, Maharashtra does not have large reserve of minerals wealth. Therefore, mining activity is concentrated in South Konkan and is in eastern Maharashtra. Use your brain power. Find the meaning of the line from the famous Marathi poem Ra- Rakad Desa, Kankar Desa, what will you do? Ajit is interested in sculpturing. He wants to prepare a sculpture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He cannot decide which rock he used for this igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. What will be your advice? Laterite. In the coastal region of Konkan in Maharashtra, we find laterite rock. It is found especially in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg district. I can do this. Understand the type of rock. Tell the use of rock. Tell the distribution of rock in Maharashtra. Compare rock type. Exercises. Thank you.